Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Audrey Deshe and this is Designed by Deshe. Today I'm bringing you guys a quick, fun, fake bake cupcake tutorial. These are my first ever fake bake cupcakes, but if you've been watching any of my Valentine's Day videos that have been coming out recently, then you will know that I've kind of been on a fake bake tear. I made a fake bake heart-shaped cake for Valentine's Day, and then I ended up making a fake bake cake wreath, and then made these cupcakes. So to start, I did take 3 styrofoam balls that I got from Dollar Tree. They do come 3 to a pack for $1.25, and I cut them in half using an ordinary kitchen knife, and I'm going to take a little bit of hot glue to just attach these to these paper cupcake liners, and then once they're attached, I am just going to take some acrylic paint to do some, mimicking of different cakes. I am using acrylic paint because it came from this set that I got from Ross a million years ago, but you can feel free to use whatever paint you have on hand. It doesn't matter. Like I said, I'm doing, my play on like yellow cake. I'm going to try to go for a chocolate cake, and then I have a couple of other, colors in there because I'm going to do some custom themed cupcakes. So I'm just going to sit back and let you guys watch that process, and then I will jump back in when it's time to get these puppies iced. Alright, so now we have some strawberries, some red velvet, some yellow, a chocolate, and a broken-hearted blue. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys a couple of examples of how I piped. This is using my star tip, and this fake icing was made just using lightweight spackle. I put it in as it was for the white icing, and then for, the pink icing and, some of the other colored icing that I'm going to have, all you do is take a little bit of lightweight spackle and, color it with a couple of drops of paint. A little bit goes a long way. The more you use, the more vibrant the color will be. So it's very easy to make your custom colored icing. And yeah, I'm just going to sit back and let you guys kind of watch. I'll jump in here and there, but this was a very simple project, guys. Anyone can do this. It is so easy to make fake bake goodies. To top this cupcake, I'm just using a little piece of Walmart table scatter. If you've seen any of my other Valentine's Day videos from this season, then you will know I use this stuff everywhere. It is very cheap, you get a ton of it, and it goes a long way. Also, the big heart, the sparkly sequined one that you saw me put in my fake red velvet cupcake, that did come from a floral pick that I got from Dollar Tree. And also, I am kind of putting down the cupcake liners because, the styrofoam balls aren't as big as I initially thought they were going to be. So they weren't really peeking out of the cupcake liners the way I wanted them to. So I just kind of go around and just trim some of the excess off so that it'll show up the way that I'd like. For this cupcake, I decided to go with some glitter and a flower on top for a classic look. This one's kind of fancy. If that one was fancy, it has nothing on this cupcake. This one is my absolute favorite, and I'm calling this my Broken Hearts Club cupcake. It is blue. I am currently mixing up some black icing, and I took a piece of table scatter and cut it in half in a jagged design to mimic a broken heart. I figured, hey, love comes in all forms and sometimes it ends, so I think everything should be included here. I thought it was a really great idea, so I might have taken a little bit of extra time on this one, making it look cute. At the end, I did sprinkle some blue glitter on the top before topping it with that broken heart. For this cupcake, I went with a more traditional kind of flood icing look, and then I sprinkled some glitter on there for a little bit of razzle dazzle, and then I topped it with a piece of a red Dollar Tree floral bud. And we have reached the end here, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today and learning this super cute craft. Here are my 6 lovely ladies, and I did create a stand for them. The link for that video can be found in the description box. As always, I am Audrey DeShe. This is Designed by DeShe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.